I don't even get up and brush my teeth yet, so I'm gonna say this real quick and fast, isn't it? Jamaican people, Cuban people, as well as Asians and Dominicans, Puerto Ricans, going back to the Virgin Islands, right? Including Cayman, are all Taino people. You see, in Jamaica, we are known as the Siboney, is what I say. So no need for go look that up. There are still many indigenous people, which you call Tainos, in Jamaica. All right? If you want to go look up one of the chiefs, his name is Chief Kalan, okay? And he is a part of the Yamaye-Guani people, all right, of Jamaica, which Jamaica is the Taino name for Jamaica. So when you know things are just African alone, no, our ancestors them blend up together. Taino and African, yeah, look on one right now.